Okay, you're probably wondering what's the best way to get these door buttons out. These spring-loaded door things, I believe, are what makes the door lights or door buzzer go off, and these will also make the door lights and door buzzers go off. But these will help open up the door. When you pull the handle, they will. They're just hooked up to a switch, so whenever it fully extends like that, your door will pop open and the door alarm will go off. So you got it fully shut here. If I let go here, it'll spring apart. Then you just, pull it the rest of the way like normal. And then your door alarm is still here going off. But you're wondering, how does that come apart? Okay, well, you don't want to break anything, because these are not replaceable to my knowledge. You can reinstall one, but I have no idea where to get one. So that's what it looks like when you have it popped all the way out. You can see that it was just inside there. And honestly, there's no need to be painting over these if you're doing a paint job, because it only takes a couple seconds to do these guys. So I'll set this down and we'll pop this apart for you. So there. So see that shape? It's kind of like the Green Lantern thing. It's a giant circle, but it's got two sections notched out for it. It's for this clip here. So you'll pop that clip on, and it'll only fit in that spot and that spot. I wonder where those little clips go on this ring. That should be black. It's wearing some paint, but it should be black. This whole switch should be black. But you pop this guy off. You can do it with a screwdriver or anything while it's on the car, like this. It's on the car like that. Just get in behind it with a screwdriver, pop it up and out. Set that to the side. Do not lose it. And this guy, you can see it has a weird shape to it. So it will only fit in through that hole the one way. And then they turn it some so it doesn't pop out. But, yep, so that's how it sits. Once you get that little ring off, you can turn it 90 degrees, and it'll pop back out. And then from there, you can further disassemble the switch, but it's not necessary. You'd only have to do that if your switch is broken, but usually what happens most of the time is that thing spins in here over time, and when someone slams the door, that guy will just pop right through the hole, and then your trim ring is sitting in here all messed up or whatever. So, easy fix for that. That's pretty much all there is to it. Again, don't lose this. It's the only thing that keeps the elements out of it. And I will have to paint these black. Someone had painted over them blue when they repainted the car. And I just shot primer over them because I was being a little careless. But that is that. See you on the flip side.